Palomares Enzo. Palomares Enzo, dali.
Go, Sai! Go, Simon!
Abaco.
Go, Sky!
We would like to say thank you to our sponsors and partners for the raffle draw. We have from the provincial government of Davao del Norte. On deck are the swimmers for event 12, the 15 anniversary Boat Philippines, Waxy, Optimus Train Philippines, Union Philippines, Gilbert Trucking Corporation, JL Autoparts, Main Computer Solutions for Tulia Leconia Law Office, TGM Upgrades, and Construction Training.
Go, Sky! Go, Simon! Simon! Go, Sky! Go! Saka na! Simon, saka! Focus! Go, Sky! Go!
Senior Lane 1 is the Mayside winner of Kingfisher.
Go! Nice one! Go! Nice one!
Benjamin of Mary Dolphin. So lane 3 is number 1, Simon
Go,
of PASC. On lane 5 is On Prince of PASC. On lane 6 is Navarro Ravi of PASC. On lane 7 is Manti Sean of Betamars. And on lane 8, Dismas Ace Daniel of Betamars. Event 13, the 50-meter freestyle for boys, heat 1. Winners from our swimmers, Nini Pawaga from Dito, Navarro Rafael, Nini Pawaga from Dito, Campo Mayor Noah, Computer Nini Vacuum, Palma Mark.
Good job, good job.
Computer Nini Vacuum, we have Dawnila,
Saka ito ka. Go, go.
Chris Job.